Accountable Traveler here, and it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm actually back in the US. As you can see from this hat, I did come from Vietnam, so today I kind of got a video for you guys. Not really travel related or accounting related, but I guess it is in the sense that I guess Allbirds are kind of the recommended footwear, or highly recommended rather. So I kind of just wanted to share my experience with Allbirds with you guys, as well as kind of give you some updates on that. So I guess a little background. I did buy my first pair of Allbirds in 2018. So I'm not that great with video editing yet, so I kind of did it the old school way and printed out the email. So if you guys could see here, it's a little blurry. Oops. Yeah. So this is the email I got from them. It's dated May 30th, 2018. So this is actually when it got shipped. So I guess I got it a couple days later. So I guess I really first got them in early June. And I guess as far as how much I've worn them, I'd say from June up until September or October, before winter out here in the East Coast. I'd probably say I wore them about 50% of the time as my preferred shoe. So I'd wear them to work. My job was about 5 to 10 minutes away, so it wasn't too far, and it was a desk job, so they didn't get worn too much. And then of course during the winter I was wearing boots and all that, so they didn't get too much wear there, probably around like 20% of the time. And from there, from January through June, I wore them almost every day, so I'd probably say like 90-95% of the time. So I guess that's where the real wear and tear kind of came in as far as the shoe goes. So as far as the Allbirds shoes themselves, I got my first pair because a coworker recommended it. So as an office shoe, I'd say they are really comfortable. But for traveling, I'd probably say the same thing, especially on 15-16 hour flights. It's basically like I'm wearing socks already, so don't even have to take off my shoes. So as far as traveling, I definitely recommend them. So after around mid-May, I started noticing that the toe, I guess the big toe boxer area, the fabric started separating. So around that time I did end up emailing Allbirds about that, just as far as like what I could do with the care. And if you are or aren't aware, Allbirds does not have a 1-year warranty or anything like that. So here's the email again that I sent to them. I'll just kind of summarize it for you. So I kind of told them I've had it for a year, and I just started noticing that the toe box started coming apart, and just kind of asked for their recommendation on what I could do there. Didn't really ask for any replacements, since I was aware that they didn't have any warranties or anything like that. And the next day, actually, they did ask for a couple pictures just to verify or kind of see what kind of damage was done to the shoes and how often I wore them. Did I do any like physical activities or anything while wearing them? So I kind of gave them all of that information. But they did email me back again, and if you guys could see, and I had some sensitive information here, but this is from Allbirds, and it is dated April 18th, 2019. So this is fairly recent. So they did say, so let me just read this. Hi Mark, thank you for providing all of that information. While we normally can't open the window for exchanges after 30 days, we'd love to make an exception and replace your pair. and then they kind of go through the steps there. So as far as Allbirds customer service, I'd rate it an A+, because I was really not expecting this. And as you could see here, I did get my new pair, and I did open it for you guys, but I haven't worn them just yet. They unfortunately didn't have the other color I had purchased, so I went for this gray, light gray color, just hoping it would go with all my outfits. So it is a new pair of Allbirds, and yeah, so I guess I'm really excited that they were actually able to replace that, but I'm really hoping that this new model doesn't have the same issue that I had previously. But if you guys are interested and or want to know what kind of travel shoes you should buy, we'll see how these do, but these are definitely up there if the durability issues kind of get resolved. So I guess that's essentially my 1 year review of my Allbirds. Unfortunately, they didn't last more than a year. Like I said, I did buy them around June, and the issue started. I did notice the issue around April, so that's about 10 months, and with that, I didn't really wear them during the winter as well, so I guess it lasted, I'd say, around 6 to 8 months. So that's unfortunate, but if any of you Allbirds employees are watching this video, your customer service is great, and keep doing what you do. But really hope these last a little longer than my old pair.